Good morning once again. I am down at Belfast Docks, Victoria Channel lead in, and the gantries are seen across there and the skies are leaden. We've had so much rain over the last 3 days, torrential. So this is totally different from the last time I videoed here. This is the Stena 8 sitting across here. We came back from Scotland 2 weeks ago on this boat, and I'm looking down the channel towards Belfast Lock, and this is the Spirit of Discovery cruise ship making an entrance into the channel in towards docking just along from here. Due to arrive at 7:30, and she's bang on schedule. Weight 58,000 tons or thereabouts. Length 236 meters, which is 774 feet. Passenger numbers maximum 999, so nearly 1,000. And crew 523. 10 passenger decks. There are more decks, but there's 10 accessible to passengers, and it's owned by the Saga Group. It was launched 2 years ago and built in Meyer Werft, Papenburg, Germany. And this is a luxury cruise ship, and it's built for the UK market and UK guests. So you're going to get top cuisine and levels of service that you can only expect from a world-class cruise ship. Fine dining, multiple entertainment venues, bars, etc., etc. So this is the Spirit of Discovery, making our way in, and judging by those skies, it's not going to be a great day. There's another one of the Stenas over here. And there's a wee man. I wonder, does he realise he's going to be on YouTube in his bathrobe? Don't see anybody else about. No. Saga. Welcome to wet Belfast. Belfast has been doing very well out of cruise ship arrivals over the last number of years until the shutdown happened, and since that has opened up again, Belfast has done well ever since. We've almost had a cruise ship in every other day, and some of them have been very, very big boats like the Virtuosa. Spirit of Discovery, mid-range kind of boat. Luxury with all the trimmings, and it, as I say, holds 1,000 passengers, so it's sort of mid-range. Not near the biggest, but not near the smallest either. Traditional type of cruise ship. And welcome to Belfast, Spirit of Discovery. May you return many times. And she's just heading round another few hundred yards to the designated cruise ship terminal point that has a welcome centre and all the rest of it. And the buses will line up to take passengers around our city and maybe up to the Giant's Causeway, maybe round to Game of Thrones. Filming spots or such like, or the Titanic exhibition. So there you are. Another day, another cruise ship into Belfast. Good to see it. And I'm going back home to get my breakfast now.